Hello my beauties, I am Tatiana Simone. If you are new to my channel, I'm going to be showing you how to do this cute, simple, under an hour, probably like 30-minute hairstyle. This is a full crochet look, super simple, super beginner friendly. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, comment below, tell me what you think, tell me if you tried it on yourself, and also be sure, if you haven't already, to click the subscribe button right there. Hit that notification bell so you can be posted for all of my new videos. Also, be sure to like this video, share it if you like it that much. But yes, let's get right to it. So this is a really basic style. All you need is a crochet needle. You're going to need rubber bands, combs, scissors, a clip if you like, and the brand of hair is a four part one pack of hair. It's by Expressions and it's called Curlette. I might be able to put the link in the description if you like to order it. And yes, so you can wear it as a full style, but I decided to wear it as a top piece. So what I'm going to do is just, of course, just comb my hair out. I'm going to put it into a ponytail. My edges are really thin, which really sucks. So what I'm doing is actually going to create the illusion by combing some of those hairs down on the sides. You could definitely do this as well. It'll help with the molding process. And then what I'm doing is going in, of course, with my holding spray. You can use gel, you can use edge control, whatever you feel holds your hair the most and the best. Use that. But my hair, I'm still growing at a shortcut, so the got to be helped a lot. And so all we're going to do is put our hair into a bun. This is like a really simple process, and I just love it so much. But yeah, so we're just going to put it into a little bun. And then after that, I'm actually going to go on with my edge control and just get everything slick as far as my sides. And then I'm going to spray, and then I'm going to mold. And then after that, we'll get to the actual crocheting part. So how this works is you're literally going to be crocheting each strand over and over and over again throughout this bun. Yes, it's small, but trust me, it can fit. It's going to get a little difficult at times, but trust me, you can get it done. You can go under the bun sometime, you can go on top of the bun, you can go through some of the pieces. Just keep going. I use every piece, all 4 packs that you're able to put around your whole head. I literally put right through this bun. So you literally just keep going back and forth, however you feel. And then I'm going to show you how to actually apply little extra pieces kind of around, that is around the bun. And then some pieces that are actually just going to be kind of on top of your head to create that bang look. But yeah, don't be afraid to crochet sometime around the bun, like really close, if need be, if you're going for a really big look or you feel like you don't have enough space. But yes, just keep going. want it to be a little bit funky with this style. So what I'm doing is actually crocheting some pieces actually like near the ponytail, and also I'm going to be crocheting pieces literally right there, like underneath where the hair has been molded up. Don't feel free to actually crochet some pieces right there. You can do as many as you want, and then I just kind of look as I go to see how much bang I want. But yeah, that's how you create the little bang piece. Alright ladies, this is the finished look. I hope you like this video. I hope it does you some good while you're in the comfort of your home during this quarantine. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and I will see you ladies in the next video.